Item number 10 has been dealt with. And Mr. Watson from Don Post, I see you've arrived. If you're interested, agenda item number 2, we were given a very, very in-depth presentation from Matthew Cooper and Tonya Kaywood, who are spearheading the Cycle Centre of Excellence. And I'm sure our very capable Ms. Takawa could perhaps give you notes on it if you wanted to do anything on that item. Or bring me later.
We could do it on.
Oh, and of course this is being recorded, Mr. Watson, and you'll be able, it'll be online tonight if you want to see that presentation. Thank you. Welcome. Agenda item number 12, Taupo Dog Town. Mr. Britt, you're still on the hot seat.
You will recall in February a resolution was passed to lease the former dog hound to Nico Boxing Club.
Nookie.
So that's I do mean any class. That wasn't a train of thought. We were approached by the boxing club who actually felt there was a better premise on the old Venture Centre. So really what this item is doing is just clearing that up to rescind that previous resolution and to recommend that the former dog pound be offered back to the Crown as is required under the Public Works Act, and then if that is then there's a process. If that process is then declined, that then comes back to Council to oneself. So really it's tidying up the previous resolution, which was to house the boxing club in the Venture Centre. So this is very much a counter item.
Okay, so the boxing and karate club, and that's now going into the county depot. I think we've approved that by way of resolution, and I was under the impression it was happening 1 July, I believe. Yep. So that's great. So they don't require the dog pound anymore, which has been totally trashed and vandalised anyway. I thought, gone. Oh, we have. Oh, good work, Star. Oh, good work. Because I know we mentioned that last time you came back. Excellent. So now we've got an empty piece of land with a whole lot of dead dogs in it. So offer it back to the Crown by all means, and move the process forward, please, because investors are used to that piece of land. We need to see what else we can do with it to go into the public arena. So there's a suggested resolution 1, 2 and 3 on 11/1. So anything about it?
We discussed in the previous meeting about offering it back to the chap that had the land beside us.
So we have to offer it to the Crown first, because it was something to do with the Crown, original owners. They will say no, that's 100%, but it's a process we have to go through. We have, unless you guys change it, we have a policy, I was scared to say, or resolution from the last triennium, that any property identified as being excess to requirement would be sold in an open and transparent way, either by auction, tender, or systems like that. So if that gentleman is interested in buying it, that's the process he will come in on. So as soon as we're clear with the Crown, we'll be going to tender, probably tender I would suggest, it says here, because the highest rate tender does not necessarily have to be accepted. And he has indicated a year or so ago that he was a willing buyer. The economy may have changed for him as much as it's changed for other people, so we'll have to wait and see. Anything further? Okay, suggested resolution on 11/1. Do you want to have a mover, please, for 1, 2 and 3? Move Councillor Downer, seconded Councillor Craig. All in favour? Aye. So carried.